Welcome to Doba tutorial. Today we will show you the payment method and bills of the pricing plan. There are two ways to pay for the pricing plan, PayPal and credit card. If you want to pay with PayPal, please contact customer support. We will send an invoice to your mailbox through PayPal. The invoice will be only valid for 24 hours. So please pay the bill within this period. If you want to pay with a credit card, you may finish the procedure by yourself. Just log in Doba. Then please click Add Card. Enter your full name, card number, including card expiration date, and CVC code. You also need to add a payment password, because you will need it every time you place and pay for an order on Doba for your buyers. Finally, click Save to finish. If you want to change your payment method, please visit the pricing plan page. Click Change Payment Method. You may add a new card, then change your card to the new one. When adding new cards, repeat the process we just mentioned. And enter your payment password to finish. Your new card will be charged from the start of the next billing cycle. Your billing cycle starts with your billing date, that is, the date on which you selected a subscription plan for the first time. After you were billed for the first time, log into Doba. And go to the pricing plan page. Then click Billing Details to see the details. On this page, you will see your billing history, and your plan, expiration date, payment date, and amount in each entry. Next, we will tell you the details about the billing cycles and expiration dates for each of the 3 price packages with auto-renewing options. First, monthly package. For example, if you start a new subscription on August 1st, your accepted payment method on file will be charged that day and the next billing date is September 1st. Second, quarterly package. If you start a new subscription on February 15th, your accepted payment method on file will be charged that day and the next billing date is May 15th. Third, annual package. If you start a new subscription on July 21st, 2021, your accepted payment method on file will be charged that day, and the subscription will expire at midnight on July 21st, 2022. 30 days and 7 days before your subscription expires, an email will be sent to the email address that you left as you register your account on Doba, notifying you that your annual subscription is about to be automatically renewed. You are responsible for maintaining a valid email address on file. For all the 3 price packages, if the scheduled billing cycle date falls on the 29th, 30th, or 31st day, but this date does not exist in the current month, such as in February and a non-leap year, the billing date will be adjusted to the last day of that month. That brings us to the end of this video. You may click Fees and Cancellation Policy for more. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.